Welcome to Car Compass, your ultimate guide to all things on wheels. From car reviews and tips to the latest auto trends, hit that subscribe button and let Car Compass steer you in the right direction. Let's hit the road.
'6 Volkswagen Motorhome, a revolutionary step forward in combining practicality, innovation, and German engineering. Volkswagen has long been associated with dependable travel vehicles, and their latest motorhome continues that tradition while embracing a modern vision of comfort and functionality. This model offers a perfect blend of style and substance for adventurous families, digital nomads, and travel enthusiasts looking for a reliable and stylish mobile home. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome features a sleek and aerodynamic design that sets it apart from typical bulky RV. With smooth curves, LED lighting accents, and an extended roofline, the exterior is built not only for aesthetics, but also for improved fuel efficiency. It is available in multiple two-tone color options, a nostalgic nod to the classic VW camper vans, but with a futuristic touch. The power-operated side awning, rooftop solar panels, and automatic leveling system ensure ease of setup and long-term off-grid capability. Under the hood, the motorhome is powered by a hybrid turbocharged 2.0-liter engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 300 horsepower. This setup provides excellent torque for uphill drives and smooth handling on highways. The drivetrain includes an advanced 4-motion all-wheel drive system, ideal for all terrains and weather conditions. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency and extends battery life during long trips. Step inside and you're greeted with a spacious and smartly organized interior. The living space includes a foldable dining area, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen with a fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, and stainless steel sink. The rear transforms into a cozy sleeping area, while an optional pop-up roof provides an additional sleeping bunk, making it suitable for 4 to 5 people. Premium materials like soft, touch leather, natural wood trim, and LED ambient lighting add to the comfort and ambience of the cabin. Tech features include a central touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and vehicle monitoring. A built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, USB-C charging ports, and Bluetooth speakers are perfect for remote work and entertainment. Smart climate control keeps the temperature balanced, while blackout blinds and privacy glass ensure peaceful sleep. On the safety front, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make maneuvering and driving large distances more relaxed and safe. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome combines Volkswagen's reputation for reliability with the luxury and technology needed for a superior travel experience. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, this motorhome delivers style, efficiency, and comfort in every mile. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, combining the unmatched legacy of Ferrari's hyper-performance engineering with the luxury and comfort expected from a premium motorhome. This vehicle represents a bold new direction for the brand. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just about travel, it is about redefining the journey itself. The exterior design of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome immediately commands attention. It blends Ferrari's iconic design language with the structural demands of a full-sized motorhome. Sculpted aerodynamics, bold lines, and aggressive front fascia give it a sporty stance despite its large size. With carbon fiber elements, high-performance alloy wheels, and active aerodynamic components, it maintains the Ferrari tradition of speed-focused aesthetics. LED lighting runs across the vehicle with precision, enhancing visibility and futuristic appeal. Under the hood, the Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that includes a V12 petrol engine paired with electric motors, delivering an impressive combined output of approximately 950 horsepower. This setup ensures that the motorhome not only provides incredible torque for highway cruising, but also remains surprisingly efficient thanks to its regenerative energy systems. The vehicle supports fast charging and features a smart power management system that ensures optimal performance at all times. It also includes adaptive suspension, four-wheel drive, and dynamic steering, giving drivers precise control and comfort. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome exudes opulence and advanced technology. The interior is fitted with hand-stitched Italian leather, brushed aluminum trims, and carbon fiber accents. The spacious living area includes reclining leather seats, a 75-inch OLED entertainment display, and a custom sound system tuned for a cinematic experience. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with gesture and voice control, and integrated navigation optimized for motorhome routes. The kitchen area is compact but luxurious, featuring high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and smart storage solutions. The bedroom offers a queen-sized adjustable bed, ambient lighting, and climate control for maximum relaxation. The bathroom is finished with marble surfaces, rainfall shower, and eco-friendly water systems. Every element is designed to ensure a first-class travel experience on the road. Additional features include solar panels, a roof deck lounge, satellite internet connectivity, and smart home integration that allows voice commands for lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems. The Ferrari Motorhome is not only a mobile home, but a statement of luxury lifestyle on wheels. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a true visual masterpiece. It inherits Lamborghini's signature aggressive styling with a low-slung aerodynamic silhouette, sharp creases, and bold lines. The front fascia features a hexagonal grille pattern, slim LED headlights, and a carbon fiber splitter, exuding a supercar attitude. Side air intakes, scissor doors for the front cabin, and sleek body panels add to the exotic appeal. Despite being a motorhome, it maintains Lamborghini's lightweight philosophy by integrating carbon fiber and composite materials across the chassis. Underneath the sleek exterior lies a powerhouse drivetrain. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is equipped with a hybrid V12 engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of nearly 1,000 horsepower. This setup allows it to go from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, an incredible feat for a vehicle of its size. The motorhome also features all-wheel drive, an advanced air suspension system, and active aerodynamics that adjust for stability and efficiency at high speeds. The electric-only mode supports up to 100 miles of quiet, emission-free driving, perfect for eco-conscious adventurers. Step inside, and the interior feels like a luxury suite fused with a hypercar cockpit. The main cabin is adorned with Alcantara leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting. The living area features rotating captain's chairs, a large OLED touchscreen control panel, and a digital command center that manages climate, security, and entertainment. The kitchen is equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave oven, and hidden refrigerator. A built-in espresso machine and voice-controlled lighting further elevate the luxury experience. The bedroom section includes a motorized queen-size bed, high-density memory foam mattress, and a retractable OLED TV. An advanced HVAC system ensures personalized climate zones throughout the vehicle. The bathroom boasts an Italian marble shower, automated fixtures, and a water recycling system. Every detail is crafted for comfort, with Lamborghini's attention to performance reflected in every system's responsiveness and integration. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. It includes satellite internet, solar panels with battery storage, and a rooftop terrace with automatic sunshades. The vehicle's smart AI interface allows full control via smartphone or voice, including security surveillance, appliance management, and route optimization for long journeys. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle icon that merges the thrill of Lamborghini engineering with the practicality of luxury travel. For those seeking speed and sophistication on the road, this is the future of automotive opulence.
Thanks for riding with Car Compass. If you enjoyed the journey, give us a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more car content every week. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep your compass pointed to adventure.